All right, guys, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. It's 12 o'clock and 15 minutes. Let me give you a quick market update. More of a psychological update rather than a market update. Last evening, I said a couple of things and I made it very, very clear. Number one was we'll go short or we'll think of going short only if the market opens flat and the market then travels down. But in any other scenario, whether it's a gap up or a flat opening, we have to look from a sideways to bullish stance. So I was expecting more of a slow and steady movement on the upside, but you can see some pressure coming in now. I want to make things clear. I want to get clarity in your mind before you proceed with doing any unnecessary orders. First thing was I discussed about the very first candle. I said it's going to look something like a hammer, and you can see a doji is formed. So more of very similar patterns showing you profit booking coming in, taking a support, and the market's going higher. One very important psychological message that I have, which will hold you in the current market. 2 3 years back, when I went to Bombay, Mumbai, as you call it, there was a building by a very big real estate person being erected, and it was a good 11th floor building that I was seeing. 1 year before, when I again visited Bombay, I saw that same building was completely demolished. 11th floor building was completely demolished, and I was very confused. When I again went back now to Mumbai, I saw that the same building now has again been erected, is now standing around 15 to 16 floors. So I went to the concerned person and I asked him that why did you first demolish everything? Why did you spend so much? And now again the building is standing at a higher level. I got a very simple, answer from him. He said that, earlier we didn't have the necessary approval for building higher floors, and now once we've got approval to construct the higher floors, we demolished everything and made a higher building. The reason is whatever the cost that we have borne is going to be recovered, and we're going to make much more money by actually selling a building with much more higher floors. What I am trying to explain from this very simple example is that the building in this example had to have a good foundation so that it can go higher and higher and higher. You can't have a 11th floor building planned in your mind and build it to 15, 20 floors. If you have an 11th floor building plan in your mind, and if you plan to go to 15 floors, you have to first build the foundation very, very strong. It's got to be very, very concrete. Same thing is also there with the markets. If the markets are bottoming out or making a very, very strong support, it's not going to go up in a single shot. However, it's going to come up, it's going to go up, it's going to come down, it's again going to go up. So this level which has been established, the lows that have been made have to either be tested or the markets have to make strong, consolidation at this point of time. So my idea or my understanding of the market is that please, unless until markets start to break the swing lows that have been made, don't go aggressive short in the market. However, use any dip that you get to buy. That's the entire idea that I want to portray. I've made it very clear last evening that because the markets have fallen down, every single rally that we get into the market will be sold into because there are too many levels of resistance. And that's exactly what you see. But I don't think we should take a very aggressive shot on a bigger time frame because we have massive supports on the bottom. So any dip that you get, look for a bigger chart, look for a bigger support, have a small stop loss and try to buy that dip. That's the entire idea that I want to give today. Hope you have a wonderful trading day. Thank you so much.